Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to know about a tool that's blowing minds, Artimind AI Art Generator. Artimind is a next-level AI art tool that lets anyone create stunning, unique artwork, all with the power of artificial intelligence. Think of it as your personal, pocket-sized Picasso, ready to paint masterpieces at your command. So, let's see how to use this AI tool and generate your art images in seconds, etc.
First of all, you have to download the app from your Play Store. Then install the app and click the Open button.
You will come to the home page directly.
Here on the trending section, you will see trending art of this tool.
On the right side of trending you will see some more options like fashion, anime, digital art, painting, etc.
You can change your image in any art style that you like.
In the bottom of this page, you will see the text-to-image generator option.
If you want to generate images from text, then you can use this option. Here you can see some examples of generated images.
For example, I want to generate an image, so write your prompt.
Choose the best keywords. Select the model type from here. Then select the ratio.
After that, click on the Generate Now option.
Now, wait and watch.
We are using a free plan, so it shows some ads.
As you can see, the image has been generated and you can download the image from here.
Now let's create a beautiful art of your image. So first of all, choose the art from here.
You may choose any art for your image from the options, trending, fashion, anime, digital art, etc.
For example, I am choosing this one. So click on the image, then click on the next option.
Now choose your image from here.
Select your image size.
Then click on the Generate option.
Now wait and watch.
As you can see, the image is ready. If you find it well, simply click on the Download Image option to download the image. And your image will be downloaded automatically. So, are you ready to start creating your own AI masterpieces? I have told you the process. Now create your art and enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech and art adventures.